Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Every rupee counts. So the wait is over. Swiggy IPO is on the main board. It's coming up with a massive issue size into the market. So in this video, we are going to discuss its IPO details, its business model and financials, in-house comparison with Zomato, and the final verdict on the IPO. It is coming up with third largest IPO in 2024 with issue size 11,327 crore. So investors can submit their application from November 6th to November 8th, where the price band is 3712390. With the minimum investment of 14,820, will get 38 shares. Investors are allowed to apply up to 13 lots, and the allotment date will be on November 11th, where the listing will happen on November 13th. Let's look at utilization of proceeds for this IPO. So debt repayment is almost 3.6% they are allocating for their size, whereas 26% is for their dark storage expansion, and 15% they are putting into an investment of the cloud infrastructure and technology, and the rest is they are looking at their brand marketing as well as the general corporate expenses. So Swiggy primarily operates as a food delivery platform connecting customers to restaurants and dining outlets, where it also has diversified with Swiggy Instamart, which is a grocery delivery platform, and it also has Genie as a parcel delivery service. So these services put Swiggy itself as a more better place into the market and not just as a food delivery platform. So if you go to a Swiggy app, you can look at all these services into a single platform, which gives the better user experience and the cost effectiveness as well as the easy reach of the customers. Let's look into the financials of Swiggy from FY22 to 24. So if you look at on the asset side, the slightly decrease from year on year, where on the revenue, it has been in a significant progress year on year. And companies also focusing on the losses, where it is cut down almost 44% from the previous year 2023. Another key player in the game is Zomato, which is the biggest competitor for Swiggy. Let's compare Swiggy versus Zomato, how much the market share they have and what's their minimum order values, right? So if you look at the Swiggy's market share is 34%, where the Zomato has a 58% in the market share. And the revenue is also slight difference, where Swiggy holds 11,247 CR and Zomato also shares with almost 12,114 CR. So net profit, Swiggy is on the loss, which is minus 2,350 CR, where Zomato is on the positive side, which is 351, which is a good sign for Zomato. So let's look at gross order value. The Swiggy on 24,700, Zomato is slightly increasing, which is on 32,224. So average order value for both Swiggy and Zomato is same, which is 428, which is there is no change in that. And a monthly transacting users on Swiggy, which is 12.7 million, where Zomato is 18.4. And the cities presented in, basically Swiggy is presented in 600 plus cities, where Zomato is on 700 plus. And the earning per share is on the lesser side for Swiggy, or for Zomato is on the positive side. Let's look at Zomato's journey. The issue price was 76 and it listed with 116, which is 50% margin. After a few months, it slightly reduced and it went down below 50. But after a few months, it increased to 400% and currently trading at 248. Even though Zomato has all the positive signs, it haven't even touched a 300 mark. If you look at the other side, Swiggy has coming up with 390 rupees of maximum price band. Need to look at how this game goes on. But there is a point to be considered for Swiggy, where Swiggy has an advantage of multi-platform, which combines all the users into a single app, which reduces the user handling charges, which can improve their revenue year on year. Quick commerce is the new revolution for e-commerce. So Swiggy has more revenue generation for this quick commerce business. Now, if you look at, there are other players like Amazon, Toto. These are the major players. They are also coming into this quick commerce business. We need to really look at how Swiggy can compete with these big players into the game. If you look at Swiggy's listing price, feels like it is slightly overpriced, but there is a lot of potential growth in the quick commerce business. We feel that considering Swiggy's IPO for long-term investment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates on IPO. Thank you.